So, hi guys, in this video we are going to be installing the OnePlus 9R port ROM for Mi 11X, Poco F3 or Redmi K40, which is built by Piratex. And prerequisites are an unlocked bootloader and a computer. Now, put your phone to fast boot mode. And in your PC, download the Piratex build of the OnePlus 9R port, which is link in description. After downloading it, I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. And the installation is you need to be having the EU Rom, or I'm currently having the EU Rom. If you have any other ports of Piratex, you can even be flashing from that, like the Pixel port or the Moto port. You can even be on that. So now all you do is your phone should be in fastboot mode. Now extract the zip file to any convenient place. Wait for it to get extracted. So yeah, it has got extracted. Now all you need to do is just open the flasher Windows 4 swipe. That's all. Your phone might reboot, so don't panic. And it's gonna take a very long time, maybe 15 or 20 minutes, depending on your PC. Now it says finished total time, so don't close that. It's not yet finished. It will tell, yeah, after this you can finish, you can close the thing. Your phone will automatically reboot and you can see the OnePlus boot animation. Then your phone is successfully installed the OnePlus 9R port. The first boot might take longer because you have just now installed the ROM, so the first boot will take longer, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. If your phone is stuck at the logo for a very long time, then while in the boot loop, put your phone to TWRP and format data and then again reboot the system. Then your phone will boot. So yeah, we are at the setup screen. So let me just set it up. Yeah, now setup is complete. Start. Oh, the wallpaper is so cool. So you can be getting some good animations in this ROM, and your phone will be detected as OnePlus 9R. If you want, you can change it. And if your phone has 8 GB RAM, and it shows 6 GB RAM, my dear friends, but still it's 8 GB. So it might show wrongly 6 here, so don't think your phone is 6. Your phone is still 8 GB RAM. So thank you.